that would still go down though.
But there's a box right there. I see what you're saying.
You see what I mean? This is what I started. Uzi said he's gonna draw it better, but...
You got the 3 block right here. We add in a polynomial right here. The 2 block is right here, but we're gonna have it go out more.
I see. Okay.
So it's like that.
Yes.
And we put the flat bar right here, and then you apparently, glow is gonna come right here. You even think about pulling a Chris alien abduction move, you go beep 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 beep, and right here. See what that is right there? Get your head out of the gutter, Gabe.
Great.
It's Tony Hawk right there. I'm gonna have his reaction. That's crazy, guys. You're gonna skate that? Leave that. We put another box right here, a box on top, so it's just extended out. Yeah, it looks chill, Glow. Trust in your life. Look at the ceiling real quick. Like, imagine how heavy each one of those pieces of wood, you know what I'm saying? Like, one of those beams is heavy. And like, those are all just above our heads all day. How is this possible? Look at all that wood that's just above our heads for no reason.
He told me he's gonna do something crazy right now to get his phone to film him, so I was like, all right, for sure.
I feel like we should get some kind of architecture award. Like, look at this. Look at how specific the measurements are. 1 box plus 1 manual pad plus the bench on 3 setting and then on 1 setting plus 2 skateboards on top of a manual pad is the same as the 2 block. Oh, you broke it. You broke the ramp. Oh. Lightfoot, Ricky Lightfoot. We need more boards.
Oh my gosh.
Holy. Oh my God.
I'm gonna do it, I promise.
Risk it all?
Yeah.
I want to do the backside flip after the hippie.
I feel like I'm gonna hit my head. Are you as tall as me, Ricky? Gotta be low. That's all. It never isn't scary. It was gotten eaten by the canyon.
That's kind of scary. I wasn't sure if I hit my head or if I hit my board.
Mowgli, I'm sorry.
No, I went towards like the corner, so.
What are you doing for your birthday tonight? Bro, there's literally nothing to do. Wow.
One of the world's greatest skaters.
That was a crazy backside flip.
That's out of pocket. It's over.
Is it already
Everyone go home and everyone, yo.
Yeah, boy.
I don't got words to say like Uzi. Look at him.
$20 if you fakie front three into it first try.
What should I do, Gabe? Should I land it? Should I keep the bets coming?
I don't know. I mean, you have.
$20? That's a big one.
I know, but that's. I mean, fakie front 180. You're having problems with. I'll give you 20. I'll give it to you. Yeah. I knew you could do it, but I had a feeling something would happen on that first time.
I mean, it's scary.
Yeah.
I'll just land that now. That's cool anyway.
All right. Yeah, Rick. Nice.
Oh! He hit the otter slide.
Oh. That was ridiculous.
I don't know.
No, you're good.
The back, like when I landed, I felt like I went.
I don't think so.
No.
Can you give me some words of wisdom?
What kind of wisdom?
Short and sweet.
I don't got it. I don't have any.
Finger.
Wow, that was solid. All right, here's the quote. A man has 2 lives, and the second one starts when he realizes he only has one. Get it? Because you live different if you're like, wow, I'm really gonna die. Is this a rail for ants? 4-finger clearance. It'd be more chill if we moved the whole rail that way, so that way you're actually jumping over this part instead of slipping and landing down there. It's more sketch to have the gap at the end. I mean, I don't know. I told Mowgli something crazy, but I don't know if he can do it.
You can literally go up it, down it, sideways, vertical, any way possible. Mowgli can make it happen.
What the heck? What are you doing, bro?
happened? I thought it was gonna slide like the box. This is about to be history right here.
This is definitely one of the brutest ollies in Braille history.
Oh yeah. I did it for Uzi's birthday. If you didn't hear, I was like, right here, Uzi, for your birthday. I had to do it. So wish my boy, you can't know his age, I don't know.
Was that scary?
Yeah. But then I was like, I can't go back if I say it's for his birthday, because then it's like, that's just messed up. So I had to do it.
What did you guys think about that? Ring of Fire, we're not on fire. Off the more videos right here. There they are. Right there. Then you can like and comment. Leave a little description of what you thought of the video. And then go to BrailleSkateboarding.com. Say what's up. Then we'll see you in the next one. Next time.